On Saturday, a dead body of an ex-soldier in his 50s was recovered from the water. The deceased has multiple injuries on his head and some other parts of the body. Incident occurred at the area of Kalikrishna neighborhood under Kalyanpur police station. On Saturday, at the area of Kalikrishna neighborhood under Kalyanpur police station, there has been a lot of excitement around the recovery of the dead body of an ex-soldier in his 50s. According to the details of the incident, it is known that the locals saw a body floating in the water at Kalikrishna Para on Saturday morning. Soon an information was sent to Kalyanpur police station about the incident. Later, Kalyanpur police immediately rushed to the spot and recovered the body of the concerned person from the water. It is known that the name of the deceased was Hiralal Deborma, aged approximately 56 years. He was an ex-soldier.
আজ সকালে কল্যাণপুর থানাতে আমরা একটা ইনফরমেশন পাই যে জালাইবাড়ি জালাইতিশে ডিসি ভিলেজের অন্তর্গত যে কালীকৃষ্ণপাড়া এলাকায় জলের মধ্যে একটা লোকের বডি পড়ে আছে। তো খবর পেয়ে আমরা ঘটনাস্থলে আসি এবং তার বডিটা দেখতে পাই। এরপর আমরা সিনিয়র অফিসারকেও ইনফর্ম করি তো এবং এফএসএল টিমকেও ইনফর্ম করি। তো ওরাও ঘটনাস্থলে আসে, ডিসিএম স্যারও ঘটনাস্থলে আসে। তো এরপর এখন তার বডিটাকে ময়নাতদন্তের জন্য কল্যাণপুর হসপিটালে প্রেরণ করা। যে মারা গেছে তার পরিবারের কাছ থেকেই জানতে পারে ওনার নাম হিরালাল দেববর্মা, তার বয়স অনুমান 56। উনি তো এখন পেশায় বাড়িতেই আছেন, এক্স আর্মি, রিটায়ার্ড আর্মি উনি এই বলছেন আর কি। এখন অবধি কিছু বলা যাচ্ছে না, তদন্ত চলছে। তার বডি তো হসপিটালে শিফট করা হয়েছে, তদন্ত পোস্টমর্টম হোক। আর আমরা এদিকে প্রিলিমিনারি তদন্ত চালাচ্ছি, দেখা যাক আদৌ।
Meanwhile, the family members did not know anything about why was Hiralal Deborma murdered or if he died in the water accidentally. Hiralal also has two sons, said his brother while interacting with the media.
Ang bo no Khorang bo ay paja si tong yo an phi no ta phung call khai sai ang phaja ta an dal khong call khai yo no phaja ta to yo kalai thu hin sa hata nge olai ti sa pur kai dani ko rok luk kata sa kota bokhoro ta ta nge mobile la ta pocket ma sa phung go so suma mobile ta kita da suma kan la nge go phaja no phaja ta mi tam da ro te tam bi ro tong bono pathar ka amna bui wala nei so ngai bu ya ben sajang botong ben lang bo antu me army retire khai ta army retire Hiralal Kalikrishna ba ko an se dara yong ni busla ta yong ka to ni busla gotong ga to ko bu salam te 7:30 8টা সময় am te ro kan ka telephone sa ko yong ko to ni ta Kalyanpur lang ha bo ko ma ta ni lang ta sono ro ga se ni kha keri kon sono ro khai me ta ang na ko keri ba ma tang bo khai ja ta mi sa na selama setelah kerja mau kayak kusu.
Ani baba.
Tamu.
Hiralal Deborma, ex army.
Para bro.
Para Kalikrishna para.
Nini sini mungkin.
An sini mu Amal Deborma.
Nini betul ke gotonan kami bapa ni.
Gotona uma to ang saimi ang to tini sokoyo phungo se sokoyo. Ang to rehab center ase.
Acha. Ke tamu nuka, tamu khanai pheka.
Niko aro yong masa tongo bonus sapayo. Nogothani himbara khanaya. Thi jaw kha indok khanaya. Lama de ko khanao.
Tamu khana.
Thi thaka hinai.
Betul ke. Bo jagat tiyo.
Ko sinia para sakani ko ta sora bo kacha sora hai. Kalbar box kalbar kebai.
Kalbar kebai. Ke be koita dike gotona mo khana.
Ang to iko 6:15 6:00 diki nokhoi kata.
Tabu ke bor tu pheka semua.
Tabu bor gota hospital Kalyanpur hospital.
Ke para ke bor
para Kalikrishna para.
Kalikrishna para. Kalyanpur PS ni anda.
Kalyanpur PS ni anda.
Nim bapa ni mungtam sakasuni.
Hiralal Deborma.
As of now, the body is taken to Kalyanpur Hospital for postmortem. It has been claimed by the police that the reason behind the incident may come out after the postmortem, but the preliminary investigation is going on at the moment. Meanwhile, many people are expressing different opinions about the recovery of the ex-soldier's body. Especially since the body has multiple injuries on its head, many people believe that it was a premeditated murder. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.